All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to Promotech. Thanks for tuning in. The Pixel 11 Pro isn't about flashy reinvention. It's about Google quietly correcting the exact weaknesses that held Pixels back for years. And if the leaks are accurate, this could be the first time a Pixel feels uncompromised long-term instead of charming but flawed. Let's dive right into the video, because on the surface this looks like another safe Google update. Same camera bar, same clean design language. But that familiarity is intentional. Google isn't chasing dramatic redesigns the way Samsung did, moving from the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Instead, it's doubling down on identity while fixing structural issues underneath. The first big shift is Tensor G6. Moving to a 2-nanometer process isn't just about benchmark scores. It's about efficiency. Previous Pixels were smart, but they ran warm and sometimes inconsistent under load. If G6 truly delivers better sustained performance, that changes everything. It means AI features won't throttle. It means gaming doesn't feel like compromise. It means battery life finally aligns with the promise. And here's the subtle part. Better efficiency gives Google more room to experiment with on-device AI without punishing the user. That's a long-term play, and that connects directly to the second quiet upgrade, the modem. Rumors suggest Google may move away from Samsung modems in favor of MediaTek's M90. That sounds technical, but this is one of those you'll feel it everyday changes. Pixels have struggled with signal consistency and battery drain compared to devices like the iPhone 15 Pro. A stronger, more efficient modem improves standby time, call reliability, and even thermal behavior. It's not glamorous, but it's foundational. If Google nails this, the Pixel 11 Pro stops being the phone you love despite its quirks and becomes the phone you trust. Now here's where it gets more interesting. Face Unlock might return in a serious way. Not the basic camera version, but true secure IR-based recognition, similar in concept to what Google attempted with the Google Pixel 4. That device was ahead of its time, but compromised by design choices. If Google brings that back without the giant forehead, it signals confidence. It suggests Google wants the Pixel 11 Pro to compete not just in AI tricks, but in premium security hardware. Cameras, though, remain the soul of this phone. A rumored next-gen telephoto pushing toward extreme zoom sounds like marketing, but remember how Google handled zoom on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It wasn't about the number. It was about usable results. If computational photography meets improved optics again, this won't just be about 100x headlines. It'll be about clearer detail at realistic ranges. Add an improved on-device video processing, potentially full night sight video without cloud dependency, and suddenly creators aren't waiting for uploads to finish processing. They're shooting and posting instantly. That's workflow changing. Quick side note, because this matters. When you start pushing high-res video, AI edits, and heavy multitasking, storage fills up fast. That's where something like Walverse or Wolver Cloud Backup quietly becomes part of the ecosystem. Not as an ad interruption, but as a practical layer. A phone built around AI and content creation needs smarter storage solutions. Otherwise, the experience collapses under its own ambition. And let's talk design pressure. The market is going thinner. Devices like the Honor Magic 6 Pro are proving you can pack serious hardware into refined bodies. If the Pixel 11 Pro trims down even slightly while maintaining battery and thermals, that's a statement. It says Google is no longer just playing the software game. It's mastering hardware discipline too. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Over 70% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. If you're into this deeper breakdown style, where we look past spec sheets and into strategy, hit subscribe and join the detail-obsessed crew. This channel isn't about hype. It's about understanding where tech is actually heading. Because the Pixel 11 Pro feels like a pivot point. Better silicon efficiency, a potentially stronger modem, hardware-grade face unlock, more independent AI processing. None of these scream revolution alone. But together, they suggest Google is preparing for a future where the Pixel isn't the smart alternative. It's the standard. And if this is the year Google removes the last few compromises, what does that mean for the Pixel 12 and beyond when the hardware finally stops holding the software back? Take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.